Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. You're in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of Diecast cars. Today we have two awesome Matchbox 5-packs here. Cool castings in this. This is from the Gun Maverick series. And there's only two 5-packs that exist for this series, and I picked both of them up at a Dollar General. They never restocked, but these were just sitting on the shelves. They were in my budget, so I picked them both up. Today we're going to be unboxing them both. $5 each. Gun Maverick is a new movie, sequel to the one that was released in like the 80s, late 70s, 80s. I don't really remember since I wasn't really alive then. But these are both from 2020. The new movie's releasing in 2022, Gun Maverick. Like that Maverick 2 movie. But yeah, these are pretty cool. I like this one better, so I'm going to open this one up first. 2020 Matchbox 5-packs, my Mattel. And I really like it because there's two different planes in there. They're both the same casting, just different colors. Really liking the castings in this set. Let's start off with this one. You can pick at it from the corner there. These are really hard to get open. Did I mention that? Guess we can tear that right open. It does not come out easily. These never come out easily. Alright, that's cool. We'll start at the very top. And work our way down. This is the 2011 Mini Cooper Countryman. Yeah, 2011 Mini Cooper Countryman. Really liking the green there and the blacked out wheels. I love the blacked out wheels. Clear canopy. Loving the stripes. Painted headlights. Nice looking casting right there. Loving the paint on this one. Next we've got like this 2019, I think this is a 2019 Mustang Coupe. Yeah, I am right. This is a cool one. Loving the wheels on this one. I actually have the same casting, but it's a single. And it's the Brembo Mustang for 2021. This is a nice dark metal flake gray. Same blacked out wheels. Really liking those. Painted taillights. Interior gray. Two-door coupe. Painted headlights. Alright, let's get this 72 Bronco out. This Bronco, I've always loved this Bronco casting. I have two other ones from my early childhood, but these are really cool. This is a different wheel and different color variation. This is Bronco right on the side of this nice light blue. Plastic white there. Nice look at the interior. The shift knob's actually a different color. Tow hitch. Those knobby off-road tires. Really liking that. Really sick. Really liking these. 72 Bronco 4x4. Alright, well now we got this, I think this is a Jeep 4x4. I think I've also seen this one released as the 1960 Jeep 4x4. But it's a cool casting nonetheless. Really liking it. Nice red, nice open, no doors. Mud splatters all over it. It says CJ7 on the side, got a tow hitch. Pretty light casting. There's the front. Jeep 4x4. Next up, we got this really cool plane. I forgot what it was called, but whatever it is, it's cool. Oh, come on. The wheels don't even roll on that. Swing wing. Made in Thailand. This is from the movie, I believe. The gray on top is the metal. The fins. Oh, the fins actually move. Okay, that makes up for it being light and no rolling wheels. That definitely makes up for it. Holy cow. It's a cool plane right there. That is sweet. This one is the one that I like more. Got more cool castings in this one. Let's get it right open. Like last time, we got to pick at those corners. No, it doesn't want to participate. That one was a little bit easier than the last one. 2 Top Gun Maverick 5-packs right here. Alright. Let's take out the first one. This is a Aston Martin, I believe. It is the 1956 Aston Martin DBR1 with a plastic base. I've always thought that base was metal, but it's a plastic base. Like in the number 3 on the side, I have 2 more of these that I will open in the same video eventually. Nice green color, dark forest green color. Painted headlights, number 3 on that. Nice roadster casting. Interior, seat belts. Buckle up. 10 spokes. Split 10 spokes. Probably my favorite of them all. 2008 Challenger. Oh man, this one is sweet, nice and heavy. Plastic base. Oh, loving the wheels on this one. This one's absolutely gorgeous. Oh man, definitely my favorite of these castings. Loving these black Sport 5 spokes with the chrome line, painted tail lights, and a license plate. Loving that sunroof there. Stripes, painted headlights. Liking that. Liking it, liking it, liking it. Definitely my second favorite, 2010 Raptor, I believe it is. Yeah, Ford F150 SVT Raptor 2010. Loving the black with those flower wheels, flower disc wheels. Oh man, love the black. Sunroof. Spare tire, tow hitch. Painted back. It says Matchbox, Raptor SVT. This is sick, super sick. Interior. Oh man, loving this Raptor. Gorgeous. Here's a better look at it. Nice. Alright. That brings us to the Petrol pumper, I believe is what it's called. Or utility truck. It says Petrol pumper on the packaging. Weird spinning wheels on the back there. Liking the blue on that. Oh man, nice like metro truck. Flammable jet fuel. No smoking. Yeah, that's probably a smart idea. Nice tanker truck. Liking the details on that. Interior right there. There's the grill. Sweet. It's also got independent spinning wheels, which is pretty rare for a Matchbox vehicle. They spin independently. Alright, let's get the plane out. Another swing wing with the opening blades. Liking the tempo on this one this time. And I will give you a comparison of the 2 swing wings. This is the first one, and this is the second one. Different paint schemes, same casting. Again, no spinning wheels. Really cool planes, though, as well as 8 cars in the Top Gun Maverick 5-packs. Really hope you enjoyed this video. And please subscribe to the channel for more. Just opened up 2 Top Gun Maverick 5-packs with all these cool Matchbox vehicles in them. Please subscribe for more. I really love you guys.